People work for various reasons, some out of necessity, while others because they are passionate about their jobs. When you encounter those who truly love what they do, it's impossible not to be captivated by their seamless execution and meticulous craftsmanship. In this enthralling video, we invite you to immerse yourself in a collection of the most satisfying footage featuring workers performing their tasks with exceptional skill and artistry. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be mesmerized by the incredible talent and precision on display. You won't be able to look away. Body of fast-working man effortlessly tosses empty bottles behind him. The mesmerizing effect of an alligator print paint roller makes it incredibly satisfying to watch. Black fine-grained powders are skillfully applied to hair, making it look full and cleverly camouflaging bald patches. Root plants are gently placed into the soil by a precision machine designed to create the ideal planting space. This machines efficiently distribute hay to hungry cows, showing cutting-edge agricultural innovation. Precise sewing machines delicately weave hair into doll heads, showcasing meticulous craftsmanship. Using a mini excavator, a worker skillfully smooths wet cement from above. Plastic stadium chairs undergo revitalization with a torch, restoring their original color and condition. Workers use specialized saws to effortlessly cut through multiple layers of fabric. Workers utilize an innovative human-automated system to efficiently harvest watermelons. Plain white volleyballs undergo a stunning transformation with captivating custom patterns using hydro dipping. A tire placed at the end of a slide causes bricks to bounce off it and land in a barrel. Using an excavator bucket to cook food when kitchen pans are unavailable is actually genius. Two construction workers attach a rope to a shovel to make their work less strenuous. This innovative tool prints a wood grain design onto aluminum posts. A tire attached to the head of an excavator sweeps debris and dirt from the streets. A flood is being cleared using a plastic bottle by creating a siphon effect. Removing old vinyl flooring becomes fun and simple with a dedicated removal machine. This is how you perfectly flip 8 eggs smoothly. This talented excavator operator demonstrates his precision by flipping empty bottles, showcasing advanced machine control. In an ice cream factory, a worker skillfully fills empty tubs with ice cream in the most fascinating way possible. This man turned a carton box into a clever sun hat by folding and strapping it to his back. This makeshift solution offers shade and keeps him cool while working under the sun. Innovative workers cracked the code for hands-free bag transport, embodying the "work smarter, not harder" mantra. Making leg holes in a shopping bag to safely accommodate your cat's legs ensures your pet's comfort and security during transport. A brilliant spiral design effortlessly lifts water from a river with the simple turn of a wheel, making collection easy.